Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the term accounting cycle. As you know, accounting can be defined as the process of identifying, measuring, recording and communicating the required information relating to the economic events of an organization to the industry users of such information. According to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, that is AICPA, had defined accounting as the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner, and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. The important aspects of accounting are economic events, identification, measurement, recording, communication, organization, and interested users of information. The users are internal users and external users. Users includes chief executives, financial officers, business unit, tax authorities, creditors, bank authorities, etc. The various steps involved in the accounting process are: first step, recording of transaction; second one, classification of accounts; third, summarizing; fourth step, interpreting the results; last step is analyzing of transaction. Recording of transaction in journal is the first step involved in the accounting process. On the basis of various source documents, the accountant record this transaction in the first book. That book is known as journal. The important source documents are bills, vouchers, receipts, etc. The process of entering transaction in journal is known as journalizing. The second step is classification. On the basis of nature of transactions, accounts can be divided into personal account, nominal account, and real account. After journalizing, the accountant record this transaction in ledger. The process of recording transaction from journal to ledger is known as posting. At the end of the accounting period, the accountant closed this book of accounts and he prepare another statement. That statement is known as trial balance. Trial balance is a statement which shows the closing balances of various ledger accounts with debit balance or credit balance. The objective of preparing trial balance is to know the arithmetical accuracy of business transaction. After preparing trial balance, accountant prepare income statement. That income statement is known as trading and profit and loss account. The objective of preparing trading and profit and loss account is to know the profitability of the concern. That means whether the company earned profit or loss. After preparing trading and profit and loss account, next step is preparation of balance sheet. Balance sheet is a statement which shows the closing balances of various assets and liabilities of the company. Assets are the important resources of the company and liabilities are the debts of the company. The objective of preparing balance sheet is to know the financial position of the company. After preparing these financial statements, accountant hand over these reports, that is trial balance, trading and profit loss account and balance sheet to board of directors. These financial statements help the board of directors to take important decisions about the company. Thank you.